so this one's like my absolute favorite, just because it's so easy, and I feel like pear is an underrated fruit. People also don't let them ripen enough.
Exactly.
Because pears can get so juicy and delicious and fragrant, and when I say fragrant, that's the best way to tell if they're ripe.
That's right.
Smell them.
That's right.
Don't press them. Don't let them get like gross. Just give them a smell.
You choose your right pear.
You choose your right pears. I choose Bartlett's because they have a nice thin skin.
I agree.
So they don't really get in the way, and it just prevents you from having to cut them. Obviously, you know, culinary peeled them because they're pros and it's like easy for them. But for anyone who's more culinary challenges, get the Bartlett's, get them ripe, and then just chop them up. You know, take the cores out and chop them up. You'll have the skins and it's delicious. All you do is add a little bit of brown sugar. I like to use brown sugar just because it has the extra molasses in it. So you can use white sugar, but I just feel that brown sugar adds a little more.
No, there's an extra layer of flavor.
Yeah.
You're the boss of this, cobbler.
Why not, right?
Tell them what to do. Get in there.
Some ground cinnamon, and then we use some nutmeg. And if you don't like one or the other, I know you love nutmeg. Some people don't love it, so if you don't love it, leave it out. Some cornstarch, just a little bit of thickener. You can also use flour, and then some vanilla extract. I use a ton of it. That was on purpose because I just love vanilla extract.
I do too. You want me mix?
Yes, please. Mix, mix, mix. A little bit of salt.
I love a little bit of salt in desserts.
Brings out all the flavors.
Yep, exactly.
So you just mix it, and then once you're done mixing it, Rach, if you could just dump it in there.
Plop
and
it
this
in there.
topping is what I want to talk about. So we're gonna use some phyllo dough, okay? And phyllo dough, if you don't never heard of it.
This too. It's so much fun. Phyllo is so fun.
It is so fun. I mean, like puff pastry and phyllo are the two shortcuts that are just perfect for anything. But I love phyllo dough. It's like a super thin, unleavened dough, so it doesn't rise, but it gets super crispy. It's really popular in Mediterranean cuisines or Middle Eastern cuisines. You can make, you know, puff pockets with them. You can make anything with them, but I love using them as the topper because, again, it's so easy.
This is so clever.
Yeah, so it dries out a little bit, so you got to work with it a little bit sooner. We'll take off the dry pieces. As you can tell, it's kind of like paper thin.
Yep.
But the bottom pieces are still moist a little bit. Rach, if you want to help me out.
Sure.
So what you want to do is just any sort of pattern that you want. Like sometimes, you know, you can do like little rosettes, or you can fold them in and then just place them along the top. And it's just really easy. It can be messy, it can be kind of ugly, but when it comes out of the oven, it's just gorgeous.
It's sexy.
Wait until you hear the crunch that it gives. It is just so good. And
that's the thing I love about those phyllo pastry toppings.
Is like it gives you it always crisp up. Like it cannot fail you, right?
Right.
And also like it doesn't have a whole lot of flavor, so it doesn't overpower the filling because the filling is actually pretty sweet. And if you get really ripe pears, they're going to be really, really sweet. So I just like to just scrunch it up, and then what you want to do just to add a little bit of decadence. So you add a little bit of butter, and that's going to help it brown up as well. And then are we going to?
You want me to just pop it in?
Yeah, pop that in the oven. Are we going to reveal what it looks like?
I mean, he's not fully covered, but yeah. Look how cute that is. Oh my God.
Isn't it so cute though? Like another way I do it is I'll do it in like rows.
You do it in like little rows?
Yep, I'll do it in little rows. And here's the thing, like here's another tip. If your dessert comes out ugly for any reason, just literally powdered sugar. It covers everything and it just makes it look so fancy schmancy, right?